up, and I'm going to be singing today, and it's going to be one of my favorite songs, Strange Birds by Birdie. So I hope you guys enjoy. Little ghost, you are listening, and like most, you don't miss a thing. You see the truth. I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me. No one but you. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, 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 no. A little ghost to feel the pain, but together we can make something beautiful. So take my hand and perfectly we'll fill the gaps. You and me make three. I was meant for you and you for me. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, 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 no. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're new to my channel, give that subscribe button a lot of love and leave a comment down below what you want to hear and what you want to see next. And yeah, have a great day, y'all. Mwah.